today is going to be basically part 2 of the meal that I've done the other day. So it's basically cook once, eat twice. The meal I done the other day was with the boiled ham. I'll link it somewhere over here. So what I've got in here is water. And put some salt. A little bit of olive oil. Some penne pasta. So while the pasta is cooking, we've got our ham from the other day. So what I'm going to do is cut this up. And we have our potatoes from the other day. So that's all ready. So we're going to add that in with the pasta and everything. So we'll see you in a minute. So this is nearly done. So what I'm going to do now is make some like béchamel sauce, but I won't bore you with that because I've done it so many times. It's basically equal amounts of butter, flour, milk, and then add some like parmesan cheese in it to thicken it up a bit more, and add some nutmeg. So we'll see you soon when this is done. Pasta drained into the bowl dish. So while it's still hot, put in some spinach. Put in our ham and potatoes. Add a béchamel sauce. Panko breadcrumbs over the top of the cherry tomatoes. Parmesan cheese. Let's top it off. Some cheddar cheese. Uh, 20 minutes at around about 200 degrees, and we'll bring you back. Wait for this to go all lovely and golden brown. So we'll see you soon. Well, look at that. Smells absolutely gorgeous. So what we're going to do, I'm going to let this cool down, and then we're going to have this with a little bit of salad, and then we'll be back. See you soon.